Peanut butter chocolate pie. Oh, I really hope this one works. Then in the PSMF version. That's a nice chip that I've been looking forward to. Let's see how it tastes. Guys, if you like chocolate and if you like peanut butter, you're served. That's a killer combo for me, peanut butter and chocolate. You should give this one a try. You should definitely give this one a try. If you guys are interested in seeing more recipes like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great week. Take care and stay safe.